Freiburg Canton in Switzerland is known as City of Bridges. It's been many months now I'm living here. Wondered seeing so many bridges. I thought of doing this video by capturing all of them in one place. Then this question raised in my mind from which bridge I should start. I figured it out so easily based on the flow of water in this river called Serein, upon which all of these bridges are built. From this bridge dam, which you are seeing currently on the screen, I started walking along this river bank and could cover 9 bridges in a row. I have given the numbering to the bridges accordingly in this video. And to view the remaining bridges, I had to go to those particular locations where they are built. Can you see the water flow there? They are coming from the bridge dam we just saw and taking U-turn at Mota Bridge. Geringen Bridge speciality is that it has got all details about other bridges in Freiburg city. This is located nearby the Cathedral of Saint Nicholas. This bridge became car-free zone from 12th October 2014. This is just to protect the Freiburg's historic center from the damage caused by the vehicles that pass through it on daily basis. Of course, an alternative way is provided by the latest Poya bridge, which you will see in the upcoming video. This bridge was originally built in 1834 and It was for 15 years the longest suspension bridge in the world. Out of curiosity, I counted my steps when I walked and got 340. Grand Fe is truly a beauty. As you see in that picture, there is a railway line on top and a footbridge below to that. Can you see that passage through the bridge? There is a L-shaped sculpture which is made by American artist Richard Serra in the year 1987. This is one of the largest bridges in Swiss. While I was walking on the footbridge, I could feel the vibrations of the train as they tremble overhead. Moreover, there is a huge water flow down to the bridge. Got afraid of seeing it from that height, so just crossed it by simply counting the footsteps, and I got 490 steps one way. Guys, if you are in Freiburg or planning to come to Freiburg, then go to this bridge and count the steps. Let me know in the comments how much you got. Even though this is the corner of the city, do not turn back on the bridge. I recommend you to get down on the other end just to find out that big bell over there and have fun by ringing the same. Madeleine Motorway Bridge, which is exactly parallel to Grand Fe Bridge, which we just saw, and I have taken this video from Grand Fe itself. Hope you all liked the video. If you want to explore more about Switzerland, please go to the playlist Switzerland Tour and have fun by seeing the remaining videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.